Hey, history enthusiasts, if your bookshelf is like a time machine, then you're a true history lover. Let's dive into the best history books you can't miss in 2025. Welcome back, history fans. Today, we have a list of epic books that will take you on a journey through time. First up, Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind, by Yuval Noah Harari. This book is amazing, as it traces the journey of humankind from the Stone Age to the Silicon Age. Next, check out Guns, Germs, and Steel by Jared Diamond. This book delves into the factors that shaped the modern world. Why some societies thrived while others didn't. Trust me, you won't be able to put this book down. For a fresh perspective, The Silk Roads, A New History of the World by Peter Frankopan is a must-read. This book turns the spotlight to the East, exploring how the Silk Roads influenced the course of history. Now, if you're interested in biographies, Team of Rivals, The Political Genius of Abraham Lincoln by Doris Kearns Goodwin is a real gem. It's a deep dive into Lincoln's leadership during one of America's most challenging times. Last but not least, The Wright Brothers by David McCullough. This book soars through the incredible story of the brothers who taught the world how to fly. So grab a comfy chair and get ready for some time travel. These books won't just boost your knowledge, they'll inspire you too. They're perfect for your 2025 reading list. Happy reading, and see you next time.